Sabi ko kay Ines, mali yung location na pinuntahan niya. Kaya, nalito na naman siya.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good afternoon mga Zoobs. So it's a bit of a late start to the day and we went to Waco this morning for breakfast, but we did get up quite late. We slept until 11. But as you can see, getting ready here for pickleball, and Diana's putting the kids to sleep, which I think when I left the room, Mimi is already asleep by the sounds of it, because I think she was snoring. So yeah, just gonna do a little get ready with me before we leave. But before we leave, I'm actually gonna clean our paddles from Selkirk. As you can see there, it's quite dirty, and Diana's is quite dirty also. So what happens is, because when you're hitting and hitting and hitting, the dirt compacts here on the paddles, so you need to clean it. And I don't feel like the rubber or block cleaners are very good. So I have here, look for it amongst all this mess, is this paddle cleaner, and I need the cloth that it came with for some reason. Again, a cloth. So basically it's a foam that you just spray on, and as simple as just sort of rubbing it in and cleaning the surface. I don't know, but I'm brand new compared to this side. So I'll just finish off doing Diana's before we leave, because she's probably still putting Lele to sleep. Ayan, malinis na. Maganda. And as you can hear, I have a little bit of sip on. I'm not sure if it's from cleaning kanina. Most likely. Ooh, big mark there actually. Don't know where that came from. Right, that's almost my paddle clean. Just do this side. It's quite satisfying, to be honest. But we have a game at SM Marikina, so got to be there by 7 o'clock. That's why we want the kids to sleep early, because the last few nights they've been going to bed late, and it's been a bit of a struggle trying to get them up. So that's the paddles. Oh, whoops, I missed a spot here. Yeah, done. Alright, so paddles are clean. Make sure everything else is okay.
Mga Zoobs! Dito na tayo ulit sa SM. Dito tayo nahihiling maglaro kasi ito ay palaging open. Kaso lang, medyo nabibitin minsan hanggang 10 o'clock. Niloloko ko si Ines kasi sabi niya, nandyan na siya, tapos walang tao. Sabi ko, bakit ka nandyan? Sabi ko, dapat sa ibang SM. Tignan natin reaction niya mamaya. Sabi ko kay Ines, mali yung location na pinuntahan niya. Kaya, nalito na naman siya.
So saan siya ngayon?
Nandyan, sa loob daw. Sabi ko, nasa ibang SM tayo. Kaso may music. Ngayon siya naglalaro. Hindi, naglalaro siya. Yun, no?
Okay, great.
Malulungkot na siya. Wala ba siya kasama? Pero mag-isa.
Uy, maglaro ka na. Okay lang. Akala niya. Oo nga, no? Wala pala si Gianna. Ay, baka may nakaupo dito. Saan tayo?
Then, saan yung gamit niya?
Oh, pwede dito.
Hello. Yun, konti lang tao. Ito pala si Gianna ba ito, Daddy?
Is it?
Gianna! Gianna! Ang yaya.
Yeah.
Gianna!
Bestie. Hi. Hola. So dinner has arrived, and of course we have tokwat baboy, parang some beef juice. Ano yung juice, babe? Tapos this is ano to, babe? Pares.
Yeah, pares.
Pares. And then more pares. And then we have, oh, ang sarap. This is mine, beef tapa. This is, I believe, the beef broth. Parang similar to tapsi ni Vivian. And then, I'm guessing baka this is kay Len, bangus. Ayun.